Is this tiny PC too powerful for its size? MINIX NGC N512 Mini PC Review. Let's be real. Tech burnout is a thing. You're juggling tabs, apps, meetings, and maybe a little panic, and your current setup just can't keep up. It freezes. It lags. It heats up faster than your morning coffee and makes more noise than your blender. You've wasted hours rebooting, troubleshooting, and rage-quitting software. You're stuck in a loop, low power, high stress, zero progress. And for what? That ancient tower was supposed to get you through the day, not drain the life out of it. Honestly, you deserve better and faster. Now deadlines are breathing down your neck. You've got projects waiting, clients pinging, 35 Chrome tabs open, and Photoshop coughing like it's on life support. Your workload's growing, but your PC's still crawling. And every delay? It's costing you time, money, and sanity. It's like being chained to a potato with a keyboard. Even basic multitasking feels like a minefield. Your tools are holding you hostage while your goals get further away. Something has to change, or burnout's gonna hit like a freight train. Enter the beast in a tiny chassis. The MINIX NGC N512. This isn't some flimsy toy PC, it's a compact productivity powerhouse. Powered by the Intel Core i5-12600H, 12-core, up to 4.5 GHz, and Intel Iris Xe graphics, it shreds through spreadsheets, video calls, Photoshop, and file transfers like a hot knife through butter. With 16 GB DDR5 RAM, 1 TB PCIe 4.0 SSD, and dual M.2 expansion slots, you're set for max performance, now and later. Need more screen space? Go quad display with Thunderbolt 4, HDMI, and USB-C, blasting out crisp 8K and 4K resolutions like a champ. Oh, and it stays cool under pressure, thanks to an advanced copper cooling system. No jet engine fan. No thermal throttling. Just pure, whisper-quiet speed. Users are straight up raving, this little beast handles intensive Photoshop work without skipping a beat. Others praise its super quiet fan, great build quality, and insanely fast load times. You'll unlock laser-like focus, buttery smooth multitasking, and seamless connectivity with Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, and dual LAN, 2.5 GE, plus 1 GE. Whether you're deep in content creation or juggling dozens of browser tabs, the NGC N512 is your cheat code to get more done, faster, smoother, smarter. It's already earned 8.5 plus expert ratings and is gaining cult status on Reddit for its perfect balance of size, speed, and savage multitasking. Curious? You should be. This isn't just a mini PC, it's a micro monster. But here's the deal. Stock is limited and demand is spiking, especially with back to school and Q3 crunch. Thousands have already upgraded to the MINIX NGC N512 and aren't looking back. If you're serious about ditching lag, owning your workflow, and finally loving your setup, now's the moment. Act fast. Don't wait. Get your hands on one before they vanish. Secure yours today. Join the elite. Unleash the power. Because once you go MINIX, there's no going back.